So Kevin and I have officially turned off of the paved road and we are on our way to the Rubicon Trail. We actually had a subscriber named Ryan who recommended that we take the Wentworth Springs entrance to the Rubicon Trail rather than the Loon Lake side. And we actually heard from multiple people that this is more or less the road less traveled, which of course, Kevin and I are 100% for trying out.
Always.
Even the absolutely lovely lady over at Uncle Tom's Cabin, which of course we stopped by on our way up here, said that this was a little more of a difficult entrance over onto the Rubicon Trail. And of course, again, Kevin and I are all for that as well.
Yep.
So far, nothing that you couldn't do really in a two-wheel drive vehicle. It's definitely not a paved road, as you can see, but no obstacles just yet. I'm sure we'll come up to a couple sooner rather than later. But yeah, so far it's absolutely gorgeous. We've got the Bestop giving us a wonderful view of, good Lord, these trees. These things are huge. So we're just enjoying the ride and we'll let you guys know when we hit some obstacles. Let's keep going. Onward.
Also worth mentioning really quickly is that this MetalCloak 3.5-inch lift is instantly more smooth off-road. We haven't done anything crazy yet, no hard obstacles, but just being off-road on some whoops and divots and rocks. Dirts.
Rocks and dirts.
Rocks and dirts. It's instantly smoother. So don't get me wrong, it rode great before. Always ranted and raved about that. Not cutting that down at all. It's just noticeably
better.
It's just noticeably better. Instantly noticeably better.
We didn't think it could get better, but MetalCloak figured out a way to make that happen.
That was a huge tree.
Good Lord. There's the door of our Jeep on 38s with a 3.5-inch lift.
Brite.
Holy moly.
Brite.
There's a better gauge of size there. Such a silly thing, but so cool. So we just passed the Wentworth Springs campgrounds, and next up, according to this handy dandy map, is something called the Slabs and then something called First Blood, which sounds incredibly intriguing.
That was nice. Good job, Brite.
Jeep's off from the bottom and Land Cruiser goes from the top here. Okay. You're good. Nice. Oh!
Is that into the door?
No, fender.
You got about this much and then you're gonna start climbing on this side. Okay, come forward. Come on. There you go. Now come towards me a little bit more. Come on. Come on. Come on, that's money right there. You got it. This way now. There you go.
Woohoo! I'm assuming this is First Blood.
It's definitely that was definitely a challenge. It's good.
Go! Little smashy smash. There you go. Perfect, right there. Good job, Jay. Keep it there, keep it there. Keep it there, you're good. He's still okay. Just, you gotta go real slow because you're basically, your driver rear is trying to climb up another about, not much, about another 6 inches or so. Just go slow. There you go. All right, You can straighten out a bit. Right there. There you go. Awesome. Straight up.
Yeah.
Woo! So I am 100% assuming at this point that this whole trail section here is first blood, because that definitely got a little bit intense for a second there. That was awesome. Hopefully there's more of that. I put Kevin back in the driver's seat. His spotting skills make me nervous. Yeah, we can give this a shot. Oh, that's just gonna be straight front bumper. Yeah, no, front bumper. Cut a little more to the driver's side just to get the driver front tire up a little bit. Maybe. And clear our front bumper. That silly thing. There you go. All right, now cut. Passenger. There you go. Ooh, that fan. Easy. No. Kev, you're in a giant groove on that driver rear. All right, see if that works. Stay passenger. There you go. Come straight. You're good. Right there. There you go. Now turn driver. Just a little bit. Perfect. Oh, you're so close. There you go. Keep going. You had a rock under here that was helping you, and you just kicked it out, which is why now it's coming this way. Ah! Kevin! Off the ground. Oh, it makes me nervous. No. Back.
Once you pop up on this, then you should be able to get the other side out.
No, because if he pops up on that, it's not that needs traction. It's that right rear that needs traction right now to keep this from coming up or sliding over. Yeah, it's getting a little weird. You see, this is where he's at right now. Just go back slow.
Go ahead.
You're good, nice and easy.
Back it up.
Just creep backwards. And a little more.
And then you're going to drop.
Oh my God. Yes! You're good. Cut, driver, and come forward. For the record, this is also why I mostly prefer Kevin to drive. His driving instincts are significantly better than mine in most, if not all, situations. There you go. Now see if you can cut my way again. Anyways. Yes! Woohoo! You only have like I don't know, I'll have to go back in slow motion, but I'm pretty sure you did definitely have a, oh God, butt puckering kind of a facial expression for a moment. We're so dumb. Jason's turn. Keep it straight, right there. Perfect. Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh, he might be into his,
Hold on, Jay.
Hold on.
You're completely caught up.
I think you're caught up on your tire. Oh God, hold on. Jesus. Pretty sure he's 100% on his tire, his spare tire right now. Oh yeah. You're good and stuffed, Jay. Jay, that place, that dark place in the back of my mind that comes up with bad but yet sometimes good ideas says you should just full floor bump it from there. No, he's clear, but cut passengers, you bump forward so you don't smash the tree if it... Yeah, go, 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 go! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Jay! Yeah. Sweet! Nailed it. Heck, I don't know at this point. Straight, left, right. I'd say you can't make the middle, but this Jeep is good at proving me wrong, so. Oh, yeah. You're dragging on your front axle and track bar and suspension and stuff. Dude, I don't think you understand how full stuffed you are. Back up. Fuck, I don't know. Or, yeah, do that, I guess. Yeah, come driver, maybe? Oh, God. Okay. Yeah, you're fine. You just make me a little nervous, that's it. Is that good? Yeah, you're gonna start climbing, I guess. There you go, you're fine. Oh, my God. Oh, it's so dumb. All right, let's see if you can get the back up. Come my way. Oh. Oh my God, keep going. You're good, you're good. You're climbing in your back rear. Driver rear. Yeah.
That was kind of cool.
This JL's retarded.
That was cool.
That look cool?
10 out of 10, fully impressed with the MetalCloak 3.5-inch dual rate lift kit with the Rock Sport shocks. That's insane. That's awesome. All right, I have to officially give another shout out to our subscriber, Ryan, who originally recommended that we take this route to the Rubicon Trail rather than Loon Lake. It is super rowdy. We're super happy.
Oh yeah, we love it.
This is awesome. Oh God, don't hit that rock. So Lost Sluice is officially conquered, and we have made it to the Loon Lake and Wentworth Springs intersection. Look at that! Yeah. Okay, so although it wasn't a long day, we didn't even get started until maybe 1 o'clock or so. We've reached Ellis Creek. They've got awesome areas to camp, so we're just gonna call it day. Sun's not down yet. Hang out. We also found some rowdy rigs. Talking to the owners, and they were talking about old Big Sluice and Big Sluice. So I think we might have found some partners to follow for part of the Rubicon Trail the rest of the way. We figure if they can try something, we can try it too, right?
Yeah,
they're full exo caged, like.
It's gonna be a good time.
It's gonna be a good time, for sure.
You know how we send it.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
That'd be
Anyways,
so
we're gonna call it a night. Relax and prepare ourselves for what sounds like it's gonna be a good time tomorrow.